Assalamualaikum all viewers and dear students. Today we have a new tricky question for you. This question is already asked in the export entry test examination. Let's come. We start 3 exponent a plus 9 exponent a plus 27 exponent a is equal to 39. How we calculate the value of a is unknown. Here a is unknown value. So first of all, these are the exponential equation. How we calculate? We are 3, 9, 27 and 39 are integers. We are using here simplify. So like here base is 3. We are required base is also here 3 and also base is required 3. So we can write 9 is equal to 9 is equal to 3 square. We can write according to this simplification solution of this question. 3 exponent of a plus 3 square exponent of a and 27 we can write 27 is equal to 3 exponent 3. So in this case we can write here 3 exponent 3 exponent of a is 39. Now look here base, now we are same, but here is double exponent, double exponent, double exponent. We are changing here 3 exponent a, they are must be same. So we are using the rule here a exponent m n is equal to, we change this exponent to each other. So m a exponent n exponent m. So according to these rules we can write 3 exponent a plus 3 exponent of a square plus 3 exponent of a whole cube is equal to 39. Now we try to change this constant value to here. We can write 3 exponent a plus 3 exponent of a square plus and 3 exponent of a cube is equal to minus 39 is equal to 0. Here is positive. If we transfer to the left side, so their sign is also changed. Now look here, we have get 3 exponent a, 3 exponent a, 3 exponent all are the same. We take the supposition for, let's suppose that let 3 exponent of a is equal to t. We give first equation. Now we replace 3 exponent of a is replaced, but this equation is reduces in the form of 3t plus t square plus t cube is minus 39 is equal to 0. Now here we are required, look here, t power is exponent is 1, 2 and 3. According now this term is required to change according to this terms. We can write 37, 39, we can write minus 3, minus 9 and minus 27. So we will get here minus 39. T plus t square plus t cube minus 3 minus 9 minus 27 is equal to 0. So first we arrange the first term with minus 3 and second with minus 9 and third minus 27. T cube is minus 27. So how we can rearrange the term here? Arrange the term t plus t minus 3 into plus t square minus 9 plus t cube minus 27 all are equal to 0. Now according to the formula t minus 3, here we are using the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula we are open this one. First we make the formula t square minus 3 square. Similarly, here is we take the cube formula, we are take cube the formula t cube minus 3 cube is equal to 0. Here a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. According to this formula, we try to open this t minus 3 plus t minus 3 into t plus 3 according to a minus b into a plus b. Similarly, t cube minus b, we can write here a minus b t minus 3 into a square plus ab plus eb. Here a is equal to t, ab to 3t plus b square, b as 3 square is equal to 0. Now look here, t minus 3 we are taking common from each term. So taking common, t minus 3 is common. Here 1 is remaining, 1 plus t plus 3 plus here t square plus 3t plus 9 is equal to 0. Now it means that this term is equal to 0 and similarly the whole term is equal to 0. T minus 3 is equal to 0 or 1 plus t plus 3 plus t square plus 3t plus 9 is equal to 0. Here we change this to the right side, so the sign is changed. We get here 3. T is equal to 3. Or now we arrange according to the quadratic form, because here t square is the highest exponent and t plus 3t we get here plus 4t plus constant 1 plus 9 10 plus 13 is equal to 0. Here form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare the coefficient of t square is equal to 1, it means that here we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 13. Here according to we give the assign the values here, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 13. Now we are using quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by whole divided by 2a. But here variable is used t, we are using here t. T is equal to plus minus b. Minus b, the value of b is equal to minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant value d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant. 4ac 1 and c is equal to 13 divided by 2a and 2a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Now we simplify this result, minus 4 plus minus, we get here 4 square is 16 minus 13 multiplied by 4, we get 52 divided by 2. T is equal to here minus 4 plus minus, if we subtract we get minus 36. Minus 36, 12 minus 6, 6 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 3 divided by 2. Now we can write minus 4 plus minus 36, we can write 36 6 square and also here is minus we can write minus 1 divided by 2, as we know that iota square is equal to minus 1 and iota is equal to minus 1 under the root. According to here we are using this property, plus minus 6 square under the root and minus 1 divided by 2. So t is equal to minus 4 plus minus, this will be cancelled to each other 6 and we get here in the place of minus 1 iota divided by 2. Here 2 is common, we are taking common, 2 minus 2 plus minus 3 iota divided by 2, 2, 2 are cancel. Another result we get t. The result of t here, t is equal to one of the result is 3, and the another result we get here minus 2 plus minus 3 iota, 3 iota. So these are now, hence we have already taken supposition. We put these results when t is equal to 3, then equation 1 becomes, we have already taken 3 power a is equal to t. When t is equal to 3 is equal to 3, so bases are same. Here bases are same. So we take the exponent. So we take the exponent. That is the rule. So that rule is we can write a power b is equal to a power c. Then we can write b is equal to c. And here we can write a is equal to 1 according to this rule. When t is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3 iota, then equation number 1 becomes 3 exponent of a is equal to t. So here 3 exponent of a is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. Now here we are required the value of a. We are taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides of this equation. We can take here log of 3 exponent of a, log of minus 2 plus 3 iota. So here we are using the double exponent rule. Log of m exponent n is equal to n log of m. According to this rules, we can write this result 3 a log of 3 is equal to log of minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. Now we are trying to finish this dividing both sides by this result. Log of 3 divided by log of 3 is equal to log of minus 2 plus minus 3 iota divided by log of 3. We get here a is equal to log of minus 2 plus minus 3 iota divided by log of 3. So base law, we have base law, that is the law log of m divided by log of n is equal to log of n m. According to this law, we can write this result a is equal to log of minus 2 plus 3 iota and base is here 3. So that is the final result. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Inshallah, this type of question will be coming soon. Thanks again. Appreciate you in advance to all of you.